everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. I hope you are having a beautiful day. Today I am going to step out of my comfort zone and we are going to make a chicken panini sandwich on sourdough bread. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. So let's take a look at our ingredients. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, crushed red peppers, and oregano as a seasoning. And then we will need salad dressing, which I'm using Miracle Whip, or you can use Mayo, sourdough bread coarse, clean spinach, a tomato. I'm going to air fry some bacon, and I'm using Muenster cheese, but feel free to use the cheese of your choice, such as provolone. And of course, what you don't see in the video is chicken. That's because it's being cleaned by soaking it in water, salt, and vinegar. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my Ninja air fryer. Let me turn it on, hit air fry, and I normally do my bacon on 325. Let's preheat it for 3 minutes and press start. Now, if y'all seen some of my previous videos, I normally cut my bacon in half before it goes into the air fryer. It's just a habit for me, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm using 6 slices of bacon. Now we have our bacon in the air fryer. Gonna place it inside of there, set the temperature to 325. And we're gonna do 20 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to flip it. Meanwhile, let's start working on our chicken. So the next thing we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, is slice our chicken in half, or what they call butterfly our chicken. I'm not a pro at this, but I'll try my best. Just gonna slice it in between, but not all the way through, ladies and gentlemen. So just like that. That is what you call butterfly chicken, okay? Let's lay this into some plastic as such. We're gonna flatten that out, ladies and gentlemen. And it's gonna be easier to place onto our bread. I'm using the flat part. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely going to flatten it out. Place our chicken back onto the plate. Let me wash my hands. Now let's get our seasonings together. And I'm not going to measure this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to eyeball it, okay? So basically, season to your taste. I would guesstimate half a tablespoon, but y'all know I'm terrible in measurements, so don't quote me, okay? Yeah, I know I love me some garlic, so that's some garlic powder. Because this is Italian, we definitely want the Italian flavor in there. Let's grab some black pepper. And we're going to give this a mix, ladies and gentlemen. I definitely want to add some more Italian seasoning in here. Just a little bit more, y'all. And now let's season our chicken. So we're going to season our chicken on both sides. That seasoning that we just mixed together. And now we're ready to go into the frying pan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I added some vegetable oil to this frying pan. After your grease heats up, add your chicken, and you want to cook it on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes until your chicken is thoroughly done. And then we'll come back and do the next step. Now we did flip our chicken, and we're waiting for it to cook on its opposite side. Isn't that a pretty color, ladies and gentlemen? Look at all those seasonings. Yes, yes, yes. And it smells good in the kitchen. I must tell you that. Now that our chicken is done, we have about a tablespoon of mayo right there. Just to take it up a notch, I'm going to add some crushed red peppers to the mayo. I know I said a little, right? Yeah, I know I love me some spiciness, right? So add as little as much, or you don't have to add any crushed red peppers if you don't want to. And I'm gonna add some oregano. About a half a teaspoon, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing major, because as you can see, our chicken is well seasoned. Let's mix that together. And now we are ready to coat our bread. You can use the entire chicken breast if you like, or you can make 2 sandwiches. Now we're ready to slice our tomato. So you want your tomatoes to be sliced very thin, ladies and gentlemen. We have everything that we need for our sandwich. I'm gonna add my cheese to the bottom. And y'all know I love me some cheese, right? Okay, so that's the first layer, ladies and gentlemen. And then we're gonna add in spinach. We're getting our vegetables in today. We need our veggies, right? Add in some more cheese because that's what I like. And this is optional, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't want to use that much cheese, you don't have to, okay? I'm going to add in some tomatoes. Again, add as little or as much tomatoes as you like, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I've decided I am going to slice up my chicken. Look at that piece of chicken, y'all. Y'all get a bite? Yum, yum. Yes. Has a nice Italian taste, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice Italian taste. I want another bite. Now let's add your bacon on top. And ladies and gentlemen, there is no right or wrong way to layer this. You can layer it however you want to layer it, right? Believe me, when it's mashed together, when it comes together, it is going to be perfect. Now your grease that is left in your air fryer from the bacon, y'all keep that, because that'll go perfectly in some beans or greens, okay? And now I'm going to add some more cheese. Oh yes, it's going down in the kitchen. Y'all don't mean. Y'all don't mind if I smash it, do you? We don't want to lose anything. Y'all probably saying, why is she using so much cheese? Because it's good for me. Let me rinse my hands off right quick. Lay our top piece of bread directly on the sandwich. This is going to be a win-win in the kitchen, okay? Now I'm going to use some margarine. You can use butter if you like, but I actually have butter inside of my pan. And we're gonna coat the bottom and the top. I'm gonna do the top first because this is going down into the frying pan first. And I have my temperature on number 2. Oh, I can't wait to bite into this. This is my second time making this sandwich this week. I did switch it up just a tad bit. The last time I used tomatoes with, well, like the canned diced tomato with oregano and basil. And I blended in some Parmesan cheese and some seasonings. And that's why I decided to come back, do another little twist on this, and share this recipe with you because it is definitely delicious. Once our panini pan heats up, we'll come back and we'll place the sandwich inside the panini press. Now our panini grill has heated up and we are ready to place our sandwich in there. I'm just going to flip it, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. Voila. Now, yeah, y'all could have done it the opposite way. I did it the long way, right? You could have done the bread. You could have buttered the bread prior to adding the mayo. I'm just going to top this part with some more margarine. And I know it looks like a whole lot, y'all, but sourdough with some butter and margarine just is a win-win. Gives it a different flavor. When I was younger, I did not like sourdough bread. So, like I said, I'm coming out of my comfort zone and decided to try something different in the kitchen. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. And why do they call this a panini press? Here we go. I'm gonna press that baby right on there, and we are going to let it cook. Once it's done, we'll come back and let you see it. This sandwich is going to be so delicious, ladies and gentlemen. I am telling you, this is a winner, y'all. Any day, any night of the week. Perfect for lunch. It doesn't take long to prepare at all. I will see you back once it's done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is our chicken panini sandwich. Does it not look delicious? Y'all know I'm about to go in on this, right? Let me cut it open for you so you can actually see the inside. You can see the cheese, the tomatoes, the bacon, the tomatoes, the spinach. Y'all know this is a winner, right? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share. We're almost to our next milestone of 4,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave a comment or a question below. Let me know what you think about this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Are y'all ready to get a bite? Y'all get a bite? Does that not look delicious? Look at that bread, y'all. Let me sample it for you. Those flavors, ladies and gentlemen. That Muenster cheese. It gives a nice kick. Oh, I'm telling you. So I'd like to thank you for watching the video. God bless you. And I will see you on the next video.